Hello, doctor. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, fine. Thank
how,
you.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling like I have some problem. I just need some treatment.
Okay.
So, can you check? I have some problem in my stomach.
Okay, no problem. I can check. No problem. Yeah. The only thing you have to feel your name here.
No problem.
What is your name?
I'm a Shehzad.
Nisha Zaidan. Okay. So come on, Oscar. You need to check your balance. Wait, please. Age
27.
27, which is
94.
1894. Okay. Doctor, yakohereza umuntu.
Very nice. I'm feeling so fresh.